welcome back to the Unboxers, and today we have for you some awesome mayhems! Yay! We love our mayhems, but it turns out it's been a while since we've opened mayhems, and actually these are some of the ones that we hadn't gotten a chance to open. And we got them on a super awesome deal in our last
super awesome
75-cent deal. Yeah, man.
288? No, 75 cents.
There you go. On clearance at a random Walmart that is not exactly super near us. But anyway, we have 3 of the Looney Tunes and 2 of the Scooby-Doos to open up today. And, yep, that's all the different ones we can get.
These are all by Basic Fun.
Yeah. So, let's go ahead and start off. No, you start off with the... And I'll do that as well. Go ahead.
Scooby-Doo? I mean the
no,
Looney
that
Tunes?
one. Yeah, I'll do Scooby-Doo, and you do that, and then back and forth and back and forth. Ooh, so I'm hoping I get Scooby-Doo. Oh, the mystery machine. Oh my gosh, that would be cool.
Okay, number 1.
Ooh, what
it's
is
black and yellow.
Oh, it's Daffy! It's Daffy! Awesome! So the mayhems are, that one doesn't have as much like, oh, it's a little squish. It's got a little squish, but not a lot of, oh, I can see a little bit of, oh, I'm sorry, I just dropped him. I see a little bit of liquid in him. Let me see. Did I get dog hair on him? Look, there's a little bit of liquid, but not much. Ooh, super cute. Oh my goodness, he's got a gigantic beak, or bill.
Let's get wild.
Let's get wild. Yeah. And we went to Six Flags.
Whoa.
Alright, let's see. Oh, he's super sticky. Can he stick on the wall? He cannot.
He was trying to.
Okay, Scooby-Doo or Mystery Machine?
Looks like Shaggy.
Shaggy, that's a good one. Awesome. So the new Scooby-Doo movie is, we've seen their previews.
Whoa.
The new Scooby-Doo. He's definitely got more squish in him. Squishy squish. Oh, look at his goatee. His goatee. Boop, boop, boop.
I got a little something on my head.
Oh, chin whiskers. He looks cool. Awesome. Yay for Shaggy. Alright, your turn.
Okay. Another.
No? You sure? Okay. And then I'll do this one, and you get the Scooby-Doo. Okay, start opening. Who do you hope for?
Looney Tunes, Bugs Bunny, of course.
Oh, yeah, let's see. Who do I want? We got Daffy. Yeah, I want Bugs Bunny or the mystery, which is Taz. Looks like Taz. Look at that.
Oh.
That looks like Taz, so. Okay.
Alright. Sylvester!
Sylvester! Oh, I thought it was Bugs Bunny. Oh my gosh, it looks gray for a minute there.
That would have been cool.
That would have been cool. Alright. Ta-da!
Actually, it looks like, you know how they have those wood... Excuse me.
Squish, 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 squish. Ooh. Squish, squish,
Those
squish.
cartoons where Sylvester has, like, the little...
Yes, the little body and the big...
or whatever.
Yeah, that's who it looks like. Look at his big nose. His big red nose. He's super cute. I like him. I like it, Sylvester. Alright, let's see. And... last Looney Tune.
Hey, I think you got Taz.
Hey, I got Taz!
You called it.
The mystery one. Very cool. Yay! Yay! That's the...
Whoa.
And we got 3 different ones.
Yes,
that's awesome.
that's
Blip, 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 blip. Yay! Yay! John's a huge Looney Tunes fan.
Yes.
And yeah, you're gonna want to take Taz to the office, probably. He's cool.
Okay, last one.
Uh-oh, I'm like leaving Shaggy out. Please, 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 please.
Looks like Scooby.
Oh my gosh, it's Scooby-Doo! Yay! Well, we did really good.
Yep.
Really good. Let's see his squish. Squish, squish, squish. He doesn't have as much squish as Shaggy did. But how cute is he? He's very cute. Well, it's like, how cute is he? Oh my goodness, he's so cute. He just has like clear water inside of him. Wow, he is very cute. Alright, so tell me for this mayhems video, which one is your favorite?
I guess Taz.
Taz is your favorite. Wow. Okay, yeah, okay.
I think it was between Taz and Scooby.
Yeah, Scooby is awesome. And Scooby, I think I picked my Scooby as my overall, but out of the Looney Tunes, actually, Sylvester. I like Sylvester because of the red, white, and black. I think it looks really cool. I like him. He is looking awesome. So thank you so much for watching. Come back and see us. Give us a like, subscribe, and we will see you next time.